Hello, welcome back to another Panda 4x4 video. After hearing the news that the Yorkshire Dales had had some snow, we decided to go and investigate and see if we could find it. So we headed off to the highest ground we could find, and this is what happened. So it had been snowing since the Thursday, and by the time we got there a lot of Land Rovers had driven over it and taken all the snow away and compacted what was left into ice, so it was pretty slippery, but no problem for the Pandas. Billy's car, the blue one, was standard, unmodified, and had winter tyres on. With the first lane complete, we headed on to the second lane, which was expected to be a lot more difficult. It was a steeper hill and hadn't had as many people driving on it, so the snow was still quite fresh. So unfortunately we came across some other drivers who'd just come down, so Billy had to get out the way and ended up in a ditch.
I said I was going to the top, but easy. Sit down for a second.
So with Billy back on the road, it was time to try and climb the hill. As always with these videos, it was a lot steeper in real life than it looks on the video, but the Pandas got up surprisingly easily.
In the mud, I think.
So at the top of the lane there was a lot more snow where people hadn't been driving, and unfortunately Billy ended up a bit too far left because he couldn't see the road. He ended up teetering on the edge, 2 wheels on the grass, 1 wheel on the tarmac. So let's try and get him back up onto the road.
Yeah, don't go backwards. Alright, I'll hook onto your tow bar and tow your back end back up to here so you can reverse out.
Yeah, that didn't go to plan.
Because you can't go backwards because you're going to end up down there.
Yeah, he ended up down there.
Yeah, if you get down there, you're never getting up again.
It was difficult to get him back up again.
A few moments later.
What's going on, Pooch? Where's Billy? Where is he? Where's Billy? That's right. He's stuck.
So after sliding down the hill, we had no way of getting back out with just one Panda as a tow vehicle, so we went off back down the lane to try and find some help.
2,000 years later.
Luckily, we came across some Land Rover drivers who very kindly offered to tow Billy's car up the hill and back up onto the road.
Little Italian anchor. Here he comes. Hey. Success.
So with Billy added to the list of club members who've been rescued by Land Rovers, and the dog's making new friends, we set off back down the lane with the Land Rovers in tow. When we got back down to the car park, it turns out Billy wasn't the only one getting stuck today.
Come on then, Billy, explain what's happened today.
I got stuck. desperately stuck.
And what pulled you out?
Land Rover.
Yeah. Cool. And now we've got lovely warm fire to warm up.
Thanks for watching again, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one.